In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Google Sheets. Comments are a simple way to clarify your work, ask questions, or leave instructions without changing the actual data in your spreadsheet. Before you begin, make sure you're working in a sheet where you have permission to edit, since comments are tied to edit access. With your sheet open, let's walk through exactly how to add a clear, helpful comment that others can easily understand. First, select the cell you want to comment on. Click once so the cell is highlighted. Choosing the correct cell is important because your comment will be linked to that specific spot. If you're referring to a number, date, or formula, select the exact cell that contains it. This helps your colleagues immediately see the context of your note and reduces confusion later. Next, open the comment box. You can do this in two simple ways. The quickest is to right-click on the selected cell and choose comment from the menu that appears. If you prefer using the menu bar, go to Insert at the top and select Comment there. Either path opens a small comment window anchored to the cell, so you can type your message with a clear visual connection to the data. Now type your comment, keep it short but specific. Explain what you're noticing, what you need, or what should change. If you're asking a question, mention the relevant numbers or details so someone can act on it without digging. For example, you might point out a discrepancy, request a verification, or suggest a formatting change. Writing clearly here saves everyone time and prevents back and forth later. When you're ready, click the comment button to save. Once you do, the cell will show a small indicator and your comment will be attached to that cell. That means anyone viewing the sheet with the right permissions can see your note by selecting the cell and opening the comment thread. Your data stays untouched and your message stays visible right where it's needed. To recap, you select the cell, open the comment box by right-clicking or using the insert menu, type your message, and click comment to save. That's all it takes. A quick tip as you use this: write with the reader in mind. Reference the specific value or outcome you're talking about and state exactly what you want to happen next. Clear comments lead to faster decisions and cleaner spreadsheets. And that's how you add comments in Google Sheets. Simple, precise, and effective.